Is this the best beginner fishing kit? For coming in at $25, this kit holds a wide variety of baits that can be used in a ton of different situations. So I'm going to put this thing to the test, take it out to the ponds, and try to catch fish on every single lure in here. Oh, but I got a fish! Like the next cast. Oh, there's a fish. There you have it. So before we get into today's video, if you guys want to check out Plusinno's website, you can actually click the link in my description and pick up this kit or any other tackle, bait, rods, anything that you might need. You can check out their website and use this discount code right here to get 20% off your order. All right, now let's go catch some fish. First bait in the box, we're gonna go with the good old frog. This thing's gonna get crushed like as soon as I cast right in front of here. Just watch this. Well, the bass indeed did not crush it. Oh my gosh. Just sank my crock in the mud. So what you got to start, Kevin?
All right, we're using this little finesse worm here. I personally think it looks pretty good. Thinking this on a Texas rig is gonna do some really good work.
Oh, you got him. What just happened? Were you burning it on top of the water?
Yeah.
What? Come back, mate. Dude, that was the craziest thing. Oh, there's a fish. Yep, we got him on the frog. Let's go, mate. This pond is just, I don't know what's been up its butt lately, but it's been kind of cracked, you know? Boom. All right, first bait is gone. Let's go. Dude, just look at the way he ate that frog, guys. Well, first bait down. On to bait number 2, which I have a spinnerbait tied on and the grub. So we're gonna knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Is that the saying? See you later, buddy. Yeah, I kind of forgot the fact that there's a lot of weeds. The spinnerbait probably won't work. I'm basically using it like a buzz bait at this point.
Well, this guy got like a mouthful of weeds, but yeah, for the second I took that bullet weight off, this nice looking sort of finesse worm on the mini Texas rig hook. First cast, like hit the water, boom. Bass struck it immediately. So I guess that's what, 2 out of the 12. We're really trying to get this slam going. Gonna let Jimothy go. Keep it rolling.
I'm tying on a swivel that comes in the kit as well, so I can change baits easier doing this slam. So I'm telling you guys, this kit literally just has about everything that you need to start fishing. So if you're just getting into fishing, this is definitely the kit to buy. It's only like 25 bucks.
Yeah, I kept the Texas rig on, switched from that nice looking kind of stick bait to this mini grub with a nice ribbon tail, and I caught myself a little bluegill. Like that it almost immediately. He was probably gonna flop, but there he is. And we're gonna let Fernando go. Woo. Keep it rolling.
Oh, there's a fish on the spinnerbait. What the heck, that actually felt like a pretty decent one. It's not though. It just felt like a good one on the bite. But we got one. That's 2 birds with 1 stone we just knocked out, if we land them, of course. But you love to see it, bro. You love to see it. Little dinker, dude. Little dinker on the spinnerbait. There you have it. We got one on the spinnerbait and the little orange grub right there. Nice little like 1 pounder. And I guess the next bait I'm gonna be throwing is this spoon that I have clipped on right there. So we'll see how that goes. Bass number 2, little dink. See you later. Fish like flashy baits in here. The rooster tail, spinnerbait, they just love it. So the spoon is definitely gonna get crushed. Oh, there's a fish. Yes, sir. I wasn't even reeling. That thing just hit the water and bro crushed it. Let's get it, mates. Come on. He's swimming right up the shore. I don't know where he's going, but he's going somewhere. He wants to land himself, I guess. Yeah, he's just, yep, I guess you can do that, man. Up he goes. Well, spoon ticked off the list. I gotta go look through the box and see what I'm gonna throw next. But we're crushing these things. All right, bud, I do appreciate your bite, and see you later. Well, on the theme of moving baits, I'm gonna keep rolling and use this mini lipless crankbait right here.
It's a nice one. That feels like a big one. Decent size one. Decent size sucker. Decent size sucker. Decent size sucker. Woo! Joey's doing them dirty with the hard baits, and I've been killing them with finesse. So now I'm actually probably gonna move on to lipless squarebill. What the?
What the heck's a lipless squarebill?
Gonna let him go.
Oh, there's a fish on the little, I think it's a bluegill, on the mini crankbait. Come here, mate. Yeah, it's a little bluegill. Boom. There we go. But we knocked off the list though. Knocked off the list. Huh? Knocked it off the list. Nice little brim. Next bait, I don't really know. I'm gonna have to check the box, but we're gonna let him go. See you later, bud. Quick release. We're just rolling through this thing. I can't believe we've actually knocked off quite a bit of them so far. We have a total of 6 baits left to complete and like 30 minutes left of daylight. You guys think we can do it? Comment down cheddar cheese. Although my next bait of choice is the spook. There's a tree there, guys. I've hooked this tree only God knows how many times, and I don't know why it is still a problem. Oh, on the little freaking spook, dude. That was insane. What is it though? It's a little dinker bass. That's what it is. Dude, we're kind of crushing them. I mean, little baits at a pond with little bass, it gets the job done. Bait number, I don't even know, knocked off the list. All I know is we got 5 more, so let's go. Little dinker bass. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep rolling the numbers. Kevin, you're gonna have to start participating a little bit more, okay? See you later, Frederick. Not doing it again. Nope, I am not doing it again. I stepped on the hook. These hooks are sharp though, I'm not gonna lie. Didn't expect them to be this sharp, but they are just getting stuck everywhere. Next up, tiny popper. Going with the theme of topwater. Guys, if someone took you on a date under 1,000 stars, would that be a no or a go? Oh my gosh, literally like the next cast, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my gosh, guys. This is just wild. Bro is just jumping everywhere. Come here, mate. Literally like the next cast, after I cut off the spook and tied the popper on, I got a bite. We're just crushing it. Kevin's just laying down, enjoying the vibes. We gotta bring that back. You know, it's always about the vibes. But we were just catching fish. That's all I gotta say. Like, really don't have anything else to say. It's a great night. I guess next up is a jerk bait. So we'll see how that goes. That's what I love, guys. My new bestie. Jerk bait time. Don't cut the line with your teeth, kids. Unless you're a trained professional idiot. Jerk bait. Arby's. We have... Do you guys like Arby's? Let me know. I think it's absolutely disgusting. Frick this, let's move. Oh, wait, I got a fish. Wait, never mind, let's not move. What the heck? Oh goodness. I thought I was just stuck in weeds again, but it actually was a fish. Please don't come off. Oh my gosh, he's barely hooked. We just knocked off another bait though. Jerk bait done. Let's go. I got one more hard bait, that's it, which is very interesting. I'll show you guys once I get this guy out. You guys want to see goose hunting? I could try to make it happen. Little dinky bass. Let's let him go. See you later, buddy. I don't even know what's called this. Don't even know what it is. Don't know what the action is, but we're using it. I mean, I appreciate him helping me film, but I don't think it's doing it to help me. He just wants to sit down like a sack of potatoes right there.
What was that?
Broke me off. That had to have been a bad knot. No fish in here would have broke that off. Well, I got a bite on that big heavy thing. That counts though. I caught a fish on it. Well, I had a fish on it. I don't have it anymore, so check the box. The last thing I got to knock off, I dropped it, is this little jig head. And also the square bill that Kevin is not using, but I'm gonna do it for him since he's just cameraman today. We got a neon yellow head with a little orange red tail. Hashtag nature. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, yep, I got one. Come here, mate. That feels like a better one. It actually feels pretty big. I'm not too sure why, but I'll take it. Don't look that big, though. But he's fighting for show. All right. Up he goes, man. LM Bizzle. You'll love to see it. On the little grub, dude. That's just freaking awesome. Let's go, mate. All right, Kevin. The completion of this challenge is in your hands, man. You got the last bait. See you later. Oh my gosh. Bro splashed me. It's the perfect shot. Kevin wants goose B-roll, and I want to complete this challenge. So I guess I'm taking the rod. The completion of this challenge, which honestly I did not expect to do, is all in the faith of this little tiny square bill. I didn't think we were gonna get close, but dude, we're slaying fish today. Well, at least I am. Oh my gosh, no, I had a bite. Something just jumped over there. And I think I have to go over there and cast. It worked last time I did it. Oh, there it is, got him. Oh my gosh, see, you just gotta chase the blow-ups, dude. Oh my gosh, there's a fish. There's a fish. I got a bass. Oh my gosh, I gotta land him. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish, dude. That's probably the biggest of the day. What the heck, dude? Oh my goodness. Bro just actually freaking soared. That's actually not a bad one. May or may not have hooked him in the mouth, but guess what? It counts. Dude, that's actually a freaking good fish. That's probably like a 2.5 pounder right there. Great way to complete the slam right there. I actually am super shocked that we completed all this. That's like 13 baits. I don't really know how much baits it was, but we caught a fish on every single piece of equipment in that box. So if that ain't enough to tell you guys that this is a good box to help beginner fishermen, I don't know what is. Just go check the link in my description. I have the company right there. You guys can pick this box up yourself, and let's let this guy go. See you. That was graceful. I can't believe I just did that.
Actually kind of insane.
Yeah guys, I'm actually like still like insanely shocked that I ticked off every single bait in that box right there. I mean, I know it's like ponds and we counted bluegill and bass, but still, like we were only there for like an hour and a half and we caught that many fish. So it was just kind of an insane night, to say the least. But if you want to check out that box, again, just click the link in the description if you want to go pick it up for yourself. It's definitely a great starter kit for people getting into bass fishing. It definitely helps a lot. It kind of has a variety of everything, so you can try out different types of baits, different stuff, and you can get yourself started into fishing at a fairly good price. It's definitely a bang for the buck. There's a lot of stuff in there. Only for 25 bucks, that's kind of insane. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. And if you did enjoy this one, be sure to leave a fat thumbs up. And as always, folks, fish with passion.